Namaste, dear viewers. Welcome to our journey through Hindu mythology and its timeless lessons. Today, we will explore the story of Hanuman and his bridge to Lanka, and how these ancient teachings still illuminate our path in modern life. Hanuman, the devoted servant, teaches us about unwavering devotion. In our bustling everyday life, how can we apply this lesson? It might be through dedication to work, relationships, or personal goals. Devotion propels us to overcome challenges with determination. How do we build bridges over the troubled waters of our modern lives? Just as Hanuman built a bridge of floating stones, we build bridges with empathy, understanding, and tolerance. Bridge building connects us with others, transcending differences. Hanuman faced towering obstacles. In our contemporary world, we also encounter seemingly insurmountable challenges. The story urges us to seek creative solutions, remembering that faith and courage can overcome any obstacle. Selfless service is a pillar in Hanuman's story. In our lives, how can we incorporate this service? Whether through small acts of kindness or significant commitments, selfless service connects us to our shared humanity. So, dear friends, as we explore ancient Hindu epics, we discover that Hanuman's lessons remain guiding lights in our modern lives. Let's build bridges, show devotion, and face our obstacles with courage. Until next time, may your paths be illuminated with wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until the next adventure, Namaste.